So Portland will start the second with Nolan, Walker, Randy. I think we've seen that combination before. With Henry and Dakota out on the ice. Snow King wins the face-off, takes it immediately back in. Shot into Cameron's glove. That doesn't count as a shot, though. Sorry. So Nolan takes the face off, but Seattle gains control. Henry picks it up. Nolan and Randy go against the boards. Henry trying to get it out. Fighting, pushing, shoving. Seattle's going to center it, but that pass isn't caught. Clears out of the Portland zone. Seattle resets. Well, Nolan's going to go ahead and take it straight up. And into Seattle zone. Tries to take a shot, but can't get it quite off his stick. Seattle sends it back down. And Cameron's going to have to stop it, so no icing. He's going to have to cover it up. A little roller there, straight at him. Sammy going to take the face off. Dylan and Griff out there with him. Caleb and Justin on the ice and the D's. Portland fighting against the boards. We've got Caleb and Nolan down there trying to dig it out. Caleb comes up with it. On the back of the net to Nolan. Caleb's going to fight. Seattle gets it centered, but can't get a stick on it. Sammy's going to pick it up and go down. Seattle picks it off his stick and brings it back our way. And Sammy takes it into Seattle's zone. He's got a D-man on him the whole way. Seattle gets it center ice, and Caleb can't keep his skate. So we got a bit of a breakaway shot wide. And there's a little tip right into Cameron's glove. John taking the face off. Jack and Nicholas out there with him. Seattle wins it, tries to send it straight into Cameron's chest, but there's a rebound out, but Portland takes control. Nicholas has got it. Henry battling with Seattle along the boards there. Nice little stop by Henry there at the skate. Send it back towards the boards. Seattle was trying to center. Up to Jack. He dumps it in just past the red line and he's going to follow. Randy, Nolan. Greg dumps it in, tries on net, but it goes way wide, and Randy is in the corner there. Nolan, up to Walker, back to Nolan, who shoots it in the goalie's chest, and the puck drop in Seattle zone. It wasn't as bad as she makes it sound. Nolan with the face-off, back to Walker. Dakota tries to send it over to Caleb. Portland manages to reset, keep it in Seattle's zone. Seattle uses the boards to jump it out. And we're into our zone. Dakota and Caleb there. Shot high. Dakota sends it up to Randy to clear the zone. Cameron's going to stop it off his net there and let Caleb take it. Caleb dumps it in. Nolan's going to chase behind the net. Nolan back to Randy. Walker center. Can't quite get it off the center. Walker was there, can't connect into the goal, into the stick of Seattle's goalie. Sorry. Nolan battling around the corner. Randy comes up with it. Hoda takes it out of the zone. Over to Caleb, who's going to send it back in. Seattle's goalie's going to drop it for his team. What are you doing? Shot goes on the side of the net. Point in through traffic, can't make it all the way to the net. Sammy leaves it back to Caleb, who's going to leave it back to Dakota. Caleb sends it to the boards. Dylan's going to pick it up and give it to Caleb, who's going to send it. Seattle picks it up. Dylan's got it, takes it into the neutral zone. Sends it deep for Portland. Line change. Dylan back keeping the pressure on. Nicholas and John on for Portland. We've got Greg and Justin for defensive pairing. Nicholas is going to put it on net, but easily set aside by the Seattle goalie. Seattle takes control through the neutral zone. And shot straight into Cameron's chest. A little shenanigans in front of the net there. Our boys are there to make sure that they're out, stay away from Cameron. John taking the face off and wins it back to Justin. Seattle comes up with it out of that little melee. Greg there battling against the boards. They center it, try and hit it on, but push aside. The point and through traffic goes to the corner. Justin and John battling for control. Seattle not giving anything up. John up to Jack, who's going to take it into the Seattle zone for us. Dump it in. Goalie back to play, and we've got Nolan coming on strong. In through the neutral zone, takes possession. Can't keep a hold of it on a 1-on-3. Seattle sends it back to the guy waiting at the blue line. Randy clears it out. Seattle in possession. Waiting to get set, and they've got their guy up front again. Nice little behind the back pass, and into the net, out of play. So 12:40 to play in the second. Seattle 1, Portland 0. Portland getting outshot 20-7. Nolan taking the face off, wins it to Randy. He sends it over to Walker, who's going to take it in. 1-on-1, shot wide. Ball's dead behind the net. Shot by Seattle. Cameron uses the paddle, sends it to the board. Seattle dumps it in for a line change. Henry chasing. Up to Walker, who's going to try and send it up to Nolan. Seattle's there to intercept. Nolan digging. Seattle comes out with it. Henry there to disrupt, and Walker's going to pick it up and send it to Randy. You can't quite keep a hold of it, but Dakota's there to pick it up. Dakota tries to send it back to Randy. It's intercepted by Seattle. Around the net, no wrap, centering, and shot wide. Randy is along the boards, clears it out, up to Dylan, who is there 1-on-3. Nice shot against the goalie, but he sends it up over his net. Seattle back in possession. Caleb knocks him off the puck there. A little fake out. Portland can't keep a hold of it though. Caleb's going to take it in. Try his hand, his shot's blocked. Caleb sends it around to Justin. Justin and Dylan fighting for it along the boards. Zach waiting. Caleb and Sammy out there with him. So we're going to face off in Snow King end. 10:37 left to play in the second. Sammy with taking the face off. Zach and Dylan out there with him. We've got Justin and Caleb back on D. Looks like Seattle is going to win that. Portland's going to take control. Justin sends it in. Bill doing a great job getting it over to Zach, even though he was on his knees. Sammy battling for possession. Sends it behind the net. Justin sends it back. And Dylan there. Zach behind the net for Portland. And battle goes. Seattle comes up with it. Shot on Cameron, easily stopped and set aside. Caleb pick up. Caleb's going to take it in, goes into the corner. Up again, freezing behind the net. Look at the ice back there. Seattle clears it out of their zone. Zach and Greg back. Greg sends it deep. I think that should have been icing, but okay. Greg and Jack and Nicholas and John on the ice with Henry for Portland. Leave a nice fat one out front. Beautiful Portland. So John they leave it sitting out front. Beautiful fat rebound, and John scoops it up and sends it in. So we're tied 1-1 with 9:09 left to play in the second. And do we have an ice cut, or is it between? Are we doing an ice cut? Nope. Okay. No ice cut. So John takes the face off for Portland. Seattle wins it, sends it on net. Cameron blocks it off. Sends it to the boards. Hi, Zoe. Greg behind the net battling. And Nicholas is going to clear it out. It's stuck in the snow at the boards, or at the benches there. Seattle with possession, sends it to the corner. Greg's there to pick it up. Jack's going to dump it deep and go in for the change. They've got Nolan, Randy, and Walker on the ice now for Portland. Henry and Dakota on for D. Snow Kings in possession, cycling around. They're going to send it, and it's going to be an icing. will go back down into their zone. Nolan taking the face off for Portland. Randy and Walker out there with him. Caleb and Dakota back on D. Seattle wins that, but Walker's there to pick it up. Dakota holds the line, sends it back to Randy. Nolan sends it towards the goalie. Randy trying to send it up to Nolan, but that makes it nasty down there. So Nolan back in possession. Fighting through the corner, sends it over to Randy, who's trying to wrap around. Seattle is all over him. Seattle tries to clear it, but they send it out of play. So we'll have another drop. 7:21 left to play in the second. Score is 1-1. Sammy taking the face off for Portland. Dylan and Griffin out there with him. Sammy gains control of it. Tries to center it to Dylan and it pops into the goalies, between the goalies' pads. We'll drop it again. Drop, shoot, repeat. Ooh. Sammy puts everything into it, falls forward. Dylan in behind the net. Seattle takes control along the boards, centers it up. Justin battling. Seattle trying to center it again, and Cameron's got it stopped against the net. Face off for Portland. Goes ahead and wins it back to Justin. Justin sends it back around. Griffin picks it up, but Sammy's already gone. Ooh. Sammy does find it behind the net and take it into the neutral zone. On into Snow King territory, wraps around behind the net. We've got Griffin in front, Dylan in front. Sammy overshoots, but Seattle can't control. So we're going to use baseball and send it down behind the net. Hey, the second sport skills come in handy sometimes. Nobody wants the puck. It's just going to sit there for a while. Jack taking it down now. Seattle sends it back around. Dakota's going to be there to meet him. Seattle clears the zone. Henry there to meet him. Monist. So Henry and Greg back on D. Seattle takes it for the wrap. Him in there with the stop. And he's going to freeze it. 5:36 left to play in the first. 1-1. John taking the face off for Portland. Dakota. Jack clearing it out. And that's going to be a nice and come back down our way. Seattle wins that face-off, back into the corner. Gains control, shoots, Cameron there to stop. Dakota's going to take control. Send it into the neutral zone, and Seattle's going to send it right back. Henry behind the net for Portland. Ooh. Knocked off his feet. Seattle trying. Cameron. Oh, scrambling. What happened here? Whoa. And there's a pile up in the crease. Cameron shoved to the back of his net. Don't know if the puck went with him or what. So what's the call? Looks like there's a penalty. I guess that's no goal. Penalty on 19 for Seattle. And Henry goes in the box for Portland. So there's some penalties being handed out here. It'll be a 5-on-4, but I'm not sure. Okay, looks like Portland's got 2 going in. So Seattle with the power play. There was no goal. So a little explanation going on here for the scorekeeper. Our very own Miss Erin Ross, I might add. Looks like Portland's gonna get 4 minutes. Seattle gets 2. Gabe in the box with Henry to serve that. Nolan takes space off of Portland. Portland on the PK. Seattle Cyclone is going to make something happen. Back to center, back to the point, and sends it in. Shot blocked by Caleb. Another shot blocked by Caleb. And Portland clears the zone. Yay, Portland! Seattle controlling. Portland on the PK. Seattle's power play cycles. Back out to the blue line. They send it in. Cameron stops it. Leaves the rebound out. But it is sent to the board. Nolan's going to pick it up through the neutral zone. Waste some time with some fancy skating. And then send it in deep. Portland, Seattle killing off the penalty for Portland. Very nice of them. Generous, friendly. Danny harassing at the blue line. Shot goes in. Stopped by Cam. Rebound stopped again. Seattle gains control off the boards, sends it in, Cameron stops. Greg sends it over behind the net. Seattle doing their darndest. 5 seconds left on Seattle, the first 2 minutes there. Shot on net, Cameron stops, but it's out in front. Caleb sends it around the boards. Can't quite clear the zone. Seattle still got control. Penalty over, we're back 5-on-5. Portland clears the zone. Seattle takes control. Seattle in possession, sends it in. Caleb there to force it along the board. And Dakota picks the puck up for Portland. Over to Nicholas. Seattle sends it in hard. Caleb in the corner. Sends it back around. Dylan's going to pick it up. Give it to Dakota, who sends it out of the zone, straight into Seattle. Caleb's going to get possession, take it around behind the net. Loses it to Seattle in the corner. Oh, nope. Caleb coming in, trying to get a hold of it again. Sammy's going to grab it. Take it along the board. Oh, shot goes way wide. Sammy trying to take it through two Seattle defensemen. All right, so we've got Justin tries to clear the zone, sends it straight into the face.
No way.
What?
No way, that's off the bar.
Did he just call that a goal?
Yeah. That's off the bar now. That was it in.
Apparently that was a goal. I say we go for video review because it didn't go in. Okay. So we've got 1:08 left to play in the second. Seattle 2, Portland 1. Bless you. Nolan in to take the face off for Portland. Walker and Randy on the ice with him. Seattle wins that face off. Back behind the net. Caleb there to send him into the boards. Nolan digging, but Seattle comes up with it, tries to center, and we've got a whistle.
Couldn't be balls. Oh, man.
And Zamboni driver just ran by, so I'm guessing we're going to get an ice cut. And all right, we're sending Caleb. So they're matching up the penalty there. A little scuffle in the corner. Huh? That thing is weird. Nolan taking the face off for Portland. Seattle gets a hold of it. Sends it in wide and high. It gains control. Cameron. That was not. It was after he took a opponent because he had control of it. You're telling me he could see the puck that whole time? Huh? Oh, yeah, sorry.
The rest of it.
Didn't. So we're going to end the second. 45 seconds left. Seattle's 3, Portland 1. Sammy taking the face off. Straight to Seattle. Cameron to play the puck behind the net. Sends it up. I think he's sick of getting crashed. Portland fighting for control. Greg's going to get it and try and send it to Dylan. Cameron back to play the puck. Okay. And Henry. Not sure what happened there.
He was tripped.
Sammy with the puck. Seattle's goalie covers it up. 8 seconds left to play in the second. John taking the face off. John, Sammy, and Griff on the ice for Portland. Henry and Greg holding the line. And that's the buzzer. So here in Kent, we've got Seattle 3, Portland 1. The end of 2, and we'll have an ice cut.